Hi guys, I am very excited to have you on my video. Now in this video I am going to show you a unique method using which you can make $1 every second, and that means $60 per minute or $3,600 per hour, and you can repeat it over and over again. As long as you're not satisfied with the money you're earning, you can repeat it over and over again to make more and more money. So what this method is about? Well, I'm about to reveal you that, but before I must tell you there are two important conditions for you. If you fulfill those conditions successfully, then you'll be able to make this kind of money on automation. So what are those requirements? Number one requirement is you need to have an internet connection. Number two requirement is that you need to have a mobile phone or a computer. I'm sure you have a mobile phone or computer because you are watching this video, and since you are watching this video on the YouTube, I'm sure you also have an internet connection. So if you fulfill these two conditions, you'll be definitely able to make this kind of money online. So now what is this method? Now I'm about to show you two websites from where you'll find projects, and then I'm going to show you a method using which you can easily fulfill them. So the two websites I'm going to talk to you about is People Per Hour and Guru. First, let's talk about People Per Hour. So go to peopleperhour.com. It's a very popular website and it's very trusted. Now when you go to People Per Hour, click on search projects, and then search for background removal. Now when you search for background removal, you'll see the money. $33, $124, $92, $92, $12 per hour, $33, $50, $127, $25, $124, $141, $35 per hour. Now as you can see that there is a list of job openings here which are about removing background from images. In the same way, when you go to Guru and search for background removal task, you'll again see lots and lots of requirement related to background removal. Now you might be thinking that how to actually remove backgrounds from images. Well, the process is very simple, and I'm about to introduce you two amazing websites where you can remove backgrounds in a click. Yes, you heard it right. You see this $33, you can get it in a single click. You don't even have to click 2 times. All it is going to take you is a single click. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now let's proceed with the two websites which I was about to show you where you can remove backgrounds in an instant. The first website I'm going to talk to you about is Removebgs. So you need to go to this website called as Removebgs, and then here you can see that remove images background 100% automatically and free. You see, you don't have to pay any kind of money. You want to try it? Let me just show you. So I have 2 images downloaded here for which I'll be showing you how to remove the background. But before that, let me show you this is how the image looks like. So if I just drag and drop this image here, that's it. No other click is needed and your background will be removed. So you see the background is removed and it is free of cost. Now it is downloaded to my computer and I can see it, and as you can see that the background is removed. So you see, I just made $33 in a single click. This is how easy it is for you to make money using this application. Now, this application has a free plan. You don't need to pay any kind of money to get these kind of images, and it's very simple and very easy to use, as you have already seen. Now, I would like to introduce you to a second website where you can do the same stuff. The second website is called as Slazer.com. Now when you come to Slazer.com, you'll see a very similar interface. Remove image backgrounds in just 5 seconds, 100% automatic and free. You see, when you upload a picture, it gets converted into a canvas with background as well as the person, and then background is removed and the only thing which you get is the object. Now this is also 100% free, so you don't need to pay any kind of money to get your image's background removed. So I'll upload another image here, and then you'll see that within a few seconds the original image looks like this and the image without background will look like this. You see, there is no other step required. You just uploaded the picture and that's it. Everything else is 100% automatic and 100% simple. Now I hope you have learned the basics from this video. Now I must tell you that don't just stick to Guru as well as to People Per Hour, because there are many other websites on the internet which provides you the ability to post jobs, and there you can go and apply on projects to get money. So what are those websites? You can find many such websites. For example, you can go to upwork.com and get projects. You can upload the same skill to fiverr.com and get paid. You can go to freelancer.com and get paid. I already talked to you about peopleperhour.com. There is another website called as guru.com. It also provides you the same thing. You know, the opportunities are everywhere. You just need to grab those opportunities. And now using these two applications, remove.bg as well as laser.com, I already told you what these opportunities are and how to make use of these opportunities so that you can get maximum benefit out of them. Now, I must also tell you that you must not tell this method to more people, because if you are going to tell this method to more people, you won't get much opportunities, because those people will go and apply to all of these jobs. So right now you have the opportunity to go to these websites and get all of these jobs, get all the rewards, and make a very handsome income using this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.